One day in 2016, I happened in the candy store and Jeannie approached me. Jeannie happened to be my sixth grade teacher and asked what we were going to do after Wynn retired from the school system. And I informed her that we didn't have plans. And she said to me very emphatically, well, I'm not going to sell the business to just anyone. I want you guys to buy this business.
I sort of blew it off and then got to thinking about it. I was nearing retirement, and so I came up here and talked to her.
And I said, where have you been? He said, I've been at the candy factory and we're going to buy that business.
And here we are. This was originally built in the 1890s. It was Lexington Hardware. They loved the old store. They loved the creaky floors. They love all the nostalgia, all the antique boxes that we've kept. And the signage, people try to buy all the signs that we've got. It's just like the old atmosphere.
We have a tremendous following, obviously, in Lexington and Davidson County, but people from all over the United States visit here. We've had folks in here from Switzerland and Germany, and it's just very interesting, the stories that people have to share. And that's part of the reason we have our traveling candy bag. It travels the world, and we're excited when we get pictures back where our candy bag has traveled.
Redbird candies is one of our big items. It's very hard to keep in the store. Our fudge sells very well that we make here in the store. A lot of the nostalgic candy that we're still able to get, like the pick-a-mix stuff, it goes pretty fast.
Probably the top three sellers in this store would be Redbird Puffs or Sticks, Double Dip Peanuts, and Orange Slices. Folks come here specifically to find those things, and they're shipped all over the world. One of the things that we always grew up having at Christmas time was an orange with a peppermint stick stuck in a hole in the orange. Get the orange juice flowing there, cut the hole and stick the stick in there and use it as a straw to suck the orange juice out. You get the full effect of the juice and the peppermint all at one time.
The Christmas season is one of our busiest seasons. It's unbelievable the amount of patrons that we have in a day's time. It's a barbecue festival. There's over 300,000 people. I'd say half of them come in here on that day.
Lexington has grown tremendously, and I attribute the success of that to the dedication of our downtown leaders. All those folks are just bought in. All the merchants really want downtown Lexington to be successful.
It's a neat little town. You can spend a day here just cruising the Main Street.
The Candy Factory is at 15 North Main Street in downtown Lexington, and they're open Monday through Saturday beginning at 10 a.m. For more information, give them a call at 336-249-6770 or visit them online at lexingtoncandyfactory.com.